Well, one of the reasons that we are going to see the severe weather is because of all the warm temperatures. Now, New York City yesterday surged to a high of 69 degrees, marking the first time Central Park was in the 60s since November 9th, 2025. It was a stretch of 118 consecutive days below 60 degrees. It's hard to imagine, right? The previous longest stretch, 1981 to 82, with 122 consecutive days below 60. I just can't believe since November 9th, we haven't had a single day where we've gone above 60. Usually there's like one day where you get a little something. Nope, it's just been a very cold winter for us. I know you know it, and it's going to be that again today. We'll see the warmth today, tomorrow, and into Wednesday as well. Notice in the west also, we were talking about Denver. Well, we are seeing that warmth continue. Behind our big severe weather event, we do have a cool down, but we just rocket right back up behind that. Look at Chicago. Our average high this time of year, 44. We're at 50 degrees. The overnight lows are going to be warmer than the average high in a lot of places. Look at that, 72 in Chicago, 65 in Boston, Kansas City, 81, 20, 30 degrees above average with that jet energy keeping the cool air to the north for us. But the warmth is going to be so hot we could actually have records being set here. And we're going to blow away records that have, by the way, been set pretty recently. Look at this, Green Bay, Wisconsin. You're talking a 7-degree record breakage, and that just happened in 2021. Not good when you continue to see the records being set over and over again in such close proximity. That warming environment's no good. Here are those two systems I was mentioning, right, that are going to give us the severe weather. This little dip, though, in the jet is what cools us off. But ahead of that, with the big ridge, that gives us all of this warmth for us here. And that means we'll see potential record highs again with this system as we head through our Tuesday and Wednesday. Look at 80 degrees into D.C. for our Wednesday here. Nice and hot there. And we are going to see those potential records. Again, a lot of them from 2021. We could tie a record here into Atlanta, Gainesville, Florida. We could break a record from 1974. And so it's going to be a warm one. But don't let that fool you, because it's March, where you get a little bit of cool. We're going to be talking about today how they're feeling, of course, with the springing ahead and losing that hour and all the things that happen. The clocks are all off. Go around changing all the clocks. I've got to do that now that I reminded myself of that. Oklahoma City, we're going to be ringing the bell here with some thunder and lightning for our Tuesday. But I don't even think the rain's going to be the biggest deal here. I think it's going to be the temperature drop. 82, 61. So Tuesday to Wednesday, we are going to drop 20 degrees. And notice Wednesday night, this is really Thursday morning, 36 degrees. That's going to leave a mark. You're going to feel it. This is our first system that's coming on through. What's left of it early Tuesday morning. Then as we head into our Wednesday, severe weather firing up. By the way, not only here into the south, but also into the Midwest. And this is going to give us rain. These two systems, they are going to be making their way eastbound, going over so many drought-stricken areas here. Clouds, showers. It is going to be much needed rain. Anywhere from Georgia to Florida, Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana. We are all very, very dry here, and this rain is going right over spots that could really use it. And for the year, Oklahoma and Dallas are a little bit behind by a couple inches, so we could use some of the rain. Unfortunately, we're going to get it all at once. We get severe weather tomorrow in the south and into the Midwest, and we're talking about hail, damaging winds, a threat of tornado, and add this to severe weather as well, that potential for flooding. I know when I say severe, I think most people, Molly, wouldn't you agree, think tornadoes, hail, damaging winds when you're talking severe?
Yeah, I kind of consider like those the big three, but right. I would absolutely throw flash flooding in there.
It is. It is considered
very
severe
dangerous.
Weather.
Yeah.
Very dangerous. As we head into our Wednesday and Thursday, that flash flood threat is going to shift a little bit. Dallas, you are going to get the rain. Notice our temperature drop again, though. As we head Tuesday, Wednesday behind the system, we do have cooler air coming in. Notice 44, that's Wednesday night. Again, really, that's your Thursday morning low here at 44 degrees. But Molly, that rebound behind this system happens real quick.
As it usually does this time of year, but